May kasama bang sampalan pala dito? So, meron tayong... Yes, anak. Yeah, we have bread. Apat yan sila. Ewan ko saan na yung iba. And we have this for daddy. Yogurt ni daddy. And give me that one, nak. And we have this for Ayana. Oh, but sweet. Yakult. Ang dami namang kiss yan. Magpapasta kami tonight. And ito yung more Yakult for baby Yana. Because si Ayana ay laging nagyayakult. Okay, move it here. Okay. Help mommy. Can you help mommy?
Mama.
Yeah, we have stick of for baby Yana. What else we have here, anak? Can you help mommy? Take out from the box. May Yakult tayo. Hindi ko alam, parang feeling ko hindi pantay yung ating ano. Hindi ba pantay? Screen?
Mama.
Pantay?
Mama. Mama.
Yes.
Titi.
Huh?
Titi. Titi.
More? You want more? Dutch milk.
Milk.
More Dutch milk.
Okay.
Okay. O, kita mo, hindi pa nga nagsang araw. Marami na siyang naubos.
Oh.
Be careful, anak. You have to shake it up first. Anak, careful. Ayan, ah. Kalikot naman tong batang ito. Oh, here. Oh, nagkahulog-hulog na yung ano mo, nak. Yogurt mo. Can you move? Mommy, move. So, meron tayong ano. Nahanap ko rin to last time. Nagpunta kami, wala. Yung oatmeal. Ayan, gustong-gusto ko yan kasi ano siya, buo. So, meron tayong more yogurt for baby Yana. Chocolate for the tawag nito. Ano ba yung binili natin? Para sa pancake. And more Delight. More yogurt for daddy and Yana. Anak, can you move a little there, anak? Can you kiss mommy? Meron tayong Knorr. Gamit na gamit ang Knorr sa bahay na to. More yogurt for baby Yana and lechon meat. Masarap ba to? Ito ba kinain natin last time? Hindi ko na.
Mama.
Parang maling. Yes. Sauce sa spaghetti natin. Yes. This is for Dada. Okay, what else? Can you take out all the items inside, anak? Kape ni Dada. What else? More. More juice for baby Yana. Oh my god. My goodness, that's a lot. Oh, this is for Ate's junk. Oh, come on. Junk ate, oh. Daming junk ni ate. Akala ko wala kaming junk. Oh, may junk pa pala tayo. Nakalusot. Akala ko walang junk eh. Mayroon pala. Okay, what else? Ang dami naman itong Dutch milk, anak. Oh, iced tea ni ate. And 1 Century. Ay, San Marino pala. Okay, one more. There's more. Eat more. Mapagod to ngayon. Tingnan ko lang kung dito mapagod sa sa kakayo ko. Magkukusa na to siyang magsabi na ayaw ko na. Oh. More! Oh my goodness. Okay, what else? Take out everything. Oh, we have this gata. Kaya magagata. Baka kailangan natin ng gata one day. And more Yakult, yogurt for Dada. What else? And we have stick of snack na Ayana. More junk for Ate Nicole. What else?
Mama.
Junk? Yes. And Knorr and cubes. No, there's more. There's more. There, can you pull that one? Ang ganda ng box nito. Bago pa. Okay, can you pull that one here? Help, mommy. Pull. Kita yung alkansya mo, ah. Oo. Hirap pa na ang baby girl. Yes. More San Marino. Ay, anak, be careful. It's okay. Leave it there. Leave it. Just like that. It's just like that, anak. It's okay. Sabi ni Joe, huwag na siya bilhan ng mga soft drinks. Pero bumili na rin ako kasi minsan, there are times na gusto mo ng ano, nag-crave ka ng something na ano. Basta, yun, pag may kumakain ka. Kaya bumili na lang din ako kahit hindi niya sinabi. Ayaw ko sanang bumili niyan, pero binili ko na lang. Tapos, ketchup, oil, kunting ano lang, kunting mga, ano lang ngayon, dilata. Kasi na, yung ano, ito pala yung kulo, yung sinasabi mong takip.
Meron palang mini ano eh.
Ba't natanggal?
Spoon pala.
Ito, Alaska, iba. More canned goods. More soft drinks for Dada. And for everybody. Sprite. And then, more Chucky for Baby Yana. And yung ating pancake. What else? Can I get the other box, anak? Okay, come on, let me finish this one. There's lots of things to do. Come on, move. Move. Excuse mommy. Move mommy there. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa mga toilet trays. Meron tayong panty liner. Ay, napkin pala. Napkin, panty liner. And we have dishwashing liquid. And sabon. Downy pala yan. Tapos yung ating sabon. Hindi na kami gumagamit ngayon ng powder. Liquid na. Para sa aming washing. Tissue. And pagkain ni Monty. This is for Monty, anak. Yeah. And pabango. Mabango ba to? Let me smell. Nabango naman. Try natin. Kung mabango. Pang lalaki man to. Ayan. So, yun lang. Yun lang pala yung grocery natin.
Tapos naka 16.
Yun lang yung ang grocery namin. Pero naka 6 6.5 actually. 6.5 yung total. Pero yun lang. Ay, mayroon pa pala ako dito. Ano ni Ariana? Diaper. Pero, yung doon sa lamisa, dalawang ano lang, sliced bread. Kasi 4 yung binili namin. Pero ito na yung lahat. Worth 6,500. O, diba? Thank you, Lord. Kahit pa paano, nakapag-grocery na naman kami ulit. This will last till 1 week. 1 week lang ito pagkain. Supply namin mga siyas. No, sometimes 2 weeks. Yun na yung pinaka-range niya, 2 weeks. Pero aside from that, wala pa dito yung mga ano, yung sa palengke, yung bigas, itlog, yung mga chickens, isda, wala pa. Hindi pa kasali. Grocery lang talaga to dito sa bahay namin. So, yun yung ating grocery mga chefs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Bye, everybody! Bye, chefs. Go, come on, come here. Say bye-bye to them. Here. Here. Anak, here. Here. Say hello to the vlog. No, not there. I cannot see your face, anak. I cannot see your face. Down your face. Show you. No, come here. Come here. Come up here. Here na. Here, anak. Here. Stand up. Stand up here. Stand up.
Say bye-bye.
Oh, say bye-bye to the... Come here. Mommy, move here. Ako, ayaw na talaga. Gusto... Say bye-bye to them. Ay, nako.
Ano ate? That's for Monty.
Oh, say bye-bye to them first. No, that's Monty. Anak. Yeah, anak.
Go, say bye-bye.
Oh, say bye-bye to them first.
Uy.
Dada.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.